right now as we do now, we go start with movies where they open like today.
As it dey hot.
Today will be Friday the 13th.
As it dey hot.
As it dey hot.
And starting with the one where as it dey hot, fire even catch for inside this one. They call am skyscraper with Dwayne The Rock Johnson in day on top. For this one, Dwayne The Rock Johnson in day on top. They call this one skyscraper. Now one of the hot movies we just come on skyscraper. Yes, it dey show for cinemas as we dey talk. So the next one now the one where they call Hotel Transylvania 3. And this one now the summer vacation.
Yes.
You know, say they get the hotel before. They come up for the hotel. They come park. They say now animation.
Yes, now
AKA cartoon.
Yes, for those people they like. Anyway, now the third one be this. They don't do one, they do two. Now they do the third one. We just come out be summer vacation. So even I like all those kind of animation like us, we like and where.
Nah, they like anything film.
You know, now see the hot. And the third movie a day for today as they come out. Now
this hot.
Nigeria movie they call Payday. And yes,
this one gets Bisola of Big Brother inside. He get a BA, that guy where they do comedy for inside Instagram. All of them they on top down. They call him Payday the movie.
Yes, and now about some guys who be say they want to evict them from their house where they do. So now how they want to raise the money now to pay their landlord?
No, you don't even talk away. Now say they want to evict them. They don't go gather the money keep. Now they come here say their landlord die. So the reason say the landlord no get family now make they blow the money. They blow money finish. Landlord daughter show. Say she won't collect money.
Payday. We are more jump better the one we come out last week. This one a movies where we say they been come out last week, but some kind of movies don't come out, don't shift them. Enter fresh. And this one are the movies. Which have been the movies we come out last week?
Okay, the first one we are going to talk about are the one where they call Ant-Man and the Wasp. They pronounce it well now. Before now, Wasps are they talk.
Yes, Ant-Man and the Wasps. Now, you don't even call her like you.
Ant-Man and the Wasp.
Yes, now Marvel movie. Now the 22nd Marvel movie will be say come out. And this one are the part 2 to the 2015 movie will be Ant-Man.
Call them again.
Wasp. I'm not going to fail this time.
Okay, the next one this one are the First Purge. And this one another movie again where although last week this movie come out. The First Purge. No be Purge, First Purge movie. They don't do Purge election year.
They do the first one. They do the First Purge. They can't do Purge Anarchy. They can't do Purge election year.
But this one now the First Purge. Then the next movie again Sorry to Bother You. That one another movie again.
And an indie movie. You understand? But those can't be big movie when I know about. Man, and this guy will be saying they Get Out, will be like it's Stanfield, and even people like Tessa Thompson inside this one self, and they say a comedy. So we hope to make it enter Nigeria so that we'll feature.
We hope say it go bother us for that level.
Yes,
but based on the level, as we don't talk movies where they hot as they show, and the ones where don't hold small, maybe now last week, now they show. Don't forget, say we tell una enter inside YouTube. Go watch the movies for July where they come out on top our page, where be popcorn and reels. And if you feel spot the team where they inside there. You feel win tickets and Nakotsi Genesis Cinema. So you wait there, you go feel win movie ticket. We don't drop hints on how you fit a win up. But now movie news with the enter first.
Yes, more enter movie news, more see the countries where we say they happen. First, I beg, tell us.
Okay, now we don't hear you say DC. What will be the full meaning of DC again?
Detective Comics.
Detective Comics. Good. Now we don't hear say enough gist day. They want release one new movie where they call Shazam. And we don't hear say, man, gist of the movie don't they come out. They don't even get new costumes.
Yes, and they even release one picture. See the picture as you see them. So now the first official look be this for Shazam. And as we know now, Zachary Levi, now they play the character. You see the costume from the shoe to the cape. Ain't gonna drink whether na soda in the drink.
We know say now small pikin where they change to big man like
this. They change to big man like a
so it's gonna be like small
pikin. The first this we'll see. But now news don't day because we know say they been first cast Dwayne The Rock Johnson as Black Adam. Now he be the enemy of Shazam. But so far now we hear to say he no go date the movie.
When I know The Rock now, the Rock supposed to add the balls for this movie. But we hear say he no go even show. Now he's supposed to be Black Adam for there, but now we hear say he be like say he no go show. But still on this matter, we hear say they don't cast Jimon Honsun. Now he go be the wizard for the.
Now be the person we give Billy Batson, that's the small boy, all in powers, we take turn Shazam. And so far, from all the comics and all the cartoon they do, now white person.
Now be the wizard before.
But now they don't kind of give black person. And as you know, Jimon Honsun, now he first play Korat the Accused for Guardians of the Galaxy. And now he don't enter DC.
So in the pot for 2 words, just like APC and PDP.
And the next one we there for news now.
We just say RoboCop. Say gist on RoboCop.
Yes, they say RoboCop. They want to do one new RoboCop now. Even I remember, say 2014, they be first do reboot for one RoboCop movie, but never many people been like him. They say he did like this, he did like that. So now MGM, you know that company where they get that lion logo. They don't come out now say they want to make this guy where they call Neil Blomkamp. Now he do movies like Chappie. Now he do movies like District 9. They say they want to make him do RoboCop, new RoboCop, and this one they want to call him RoboCop Returns.
Where ain't go before?
And now we don't know.
Anyway, shall we wait? May RoboCop return. But see, this news now we want talk now. This one concern money. Like if you know say you ready, just know say you count money when now. Because with the year say of all the movies we don't come up for this year alone, Marvel Studios don't chop $17 billion dollars.
Yes. That will be say if you join all the money where we say the MCU, that when they call Marvel Cinematic Universe, don't gather for all the movies where they run, especially for this year alone, because 2 of their movies don't cross 1 billion. It don't even pass. In short, what are they talk? Infinity War, they 2 billion.
Now.
So you get, so all the movies so they don't make.
Where Marvel don't do.
For the MCU, don't reach 17 billion.
Nigeria budget.
And to take Adam on top, for the top 10 movies where they
this year alone.
The world, like top 10 movies, the top 10 grossing movies for the world, Marvel get 4 inside.
For the full world of movies where don't pack money.
All the movies they do since 1894, reach today, Marvel get 4 of the top 10 movies. Avengers Infinity War, Avengers. Civil War.
Immense small self for even called Titanic join. Just small, even if na $1 billion, we no go mind. We will share them.
Yeah, so
I'll take $800 million. I'll give you 200.
You give me the change.
Yes.
You will.
Money never come without the quarter. Anyway, when I remember Umbaku. If you know, wait till they call this movie again. Wakanda Forever. Black Panther. Una remember that our Nigerian brother Mbaku? We don't know whether in Nigeria the guy for
maybe Nigeria, but Trinidad and Tobago. Anyway, they don't cast him. Say he go play this guy. We be saying a UFC fighter.
What do you mean? Kimbo
Spike, and now he go play Kimbo Spike. And so, as the man we know him been talking before we come here, he made it say, and the guy never really gets some kind of thing. And yes, so this one will give him opportunity to
get
show himself.
like
and a person will be say we like, you know, so we even call him our brother, our
because
brother.
And funny enough, now Nigerian Jesse now we
go this MTV movie
go collect award. So
in the repos where as the matter
so we dey hear you, Mbaku, our brother.
Of the Jabari clan.
Of the Jabari clan.
Shabali, make we report enter the one now we be saying our box office. Not so we talk about money sharp for MCU. Now make we enter box office movies.
The movies where they chop money for inside box office. Now box office.
Now make we start with number 10. This one now Deadpool 2. Yes, it don't the box office now since when be that May way come out. You see the box office. It don't chop $314 million and you don't sit down 8 weeks inside box office. It's a wahoo something.
Talking about Wahoo something, the movie will be number 10 before Don't Climb go up to number 9. And that one, Wouldn't You Be My Neighbor, now the title of the film. And that one don't chop up to $12 million. And now the 5th week, now it don't day inside box office.
And quick for this one, we say they number 8 right now. Now this one they say touch and follow according to the man with no name. I don't know who I in translate into Nigerian term.
Touch and follow.
Tag now be this one. And R-rated comedy we get Jeremy Renner inside and Jake Johnson. He don't chop $48 million for inside box office where he did. And for 4 weeks now he don't sit down there. On
top of the level of number 7, now Ocean's 8. And before, now number 5, now he don't drop down with all the figure 8 ladies with it there. He don't chop $126 million.
Oh yeah, for the one where they number 6 right now, and this one they call Uncle Drew. Uncle Drew na comedy movie where they rate on PG-13 and even get Shaquille O'Neal, Kerry Ivan inside. And you don't sit down, give about 2 weeks inside box office where I don't chop $29 million.
On top number 5, before na number 3, Sicario, Day of the Soldado. Now in the there and $35 million now he don't chop. And at the second week, now he don't day on top box office.
Okay, and this one with the number 4, Sharply, now the one we just talk about now for movies we did last week, and now the first Purge. First week now he don't inside box office, I don't chop $31 million.
Talking about animation, the one where they call cartoon, Incredibles 2. Now him been day number 2 before, but now number 3. Now he don't day and he don't chop $503 million. 4 weeks now he don't come out too.
And quick for the one with the number 2 right now. Well, I cannot believe this movie was number 1, but the corner can number 2. Now Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. For 3 weeks we don't see inside box office, he don't chop $333 million. And right now, for instance, one news where we say we know quick talk sharp. It don't enter $1 billion
already.
I even talk about $1 billion.
Oh yeah, number 1. Number 1, the number 1 movie. Now the one where they call Ant-Man and the Wasp. We don't make the
We don't make the
mistake
mistake
again. Anyway, Sha, he don't chop $75 million, and at the first week, now he don't come out. He start now Sporot inside with Evangeline Lilly, and now the movie now we done the make name for inside box office. Now the box office review now we don't give you so. Yes.
So as now as the matter they be now, every Thursday 3 to 4 p.m. we dey always day 3 to 4 o'clock.
Yes.
We dey always dey on Top Cool FM. So just in case all these things we be say we dey talk about, you know, really get there, just wait for us on Thursday 3 to 4 p.m.
And you go hear 'em.
Everything we go bring in everything movies. And as the man with no names, they always you know arrange. They tell us say you feel even go everywhere to take catch us. SoundCloud, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest.
Just type Popcorn and Reels. And to win ticket on top this show, all you need to do now to subscribe to our YouTube
Just subscribe.
channel. Shikena, just subscribe.
Just
Popcorn
subscribe.
and Reels, and you go to win ticket back to back. Every day is a hit. And now so, as it is a hit, now so we self with the cover.
But before we go, shall I get one thing? You know, so get this part 2 movie where they call Goosebumps.
Goosebumps.
So
Not true.
we get the trailer. More play, more no play.
Mo, start them.
Mo
And we'll just
dey
dey go.
go, yeah.
Goosebumps.
Bye-bye.
Out.
It's starting to look like Halloween around here.
I don't think this place is giving out candy. Haunted Halloween.